All right, guys, check this one out. This is a single cap we just had done for a customer. It is a 10K gold. This is not plated, it's solid gold, guys. And it has a center diamond. This is a real natural diamond, guys. It's not a fake stone or a CZ stone or simulant. Real diamond in the middle there. There's the back side. You got your stamp on the back, 10K. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth, so it's going to fit on the tooth perfectly. You can choose which teeth you want it to go on. That's up to you. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get quality handmade work. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.